Welcome back to Auto Street, where we explore the legends of automotive history. Today, we dive into one of the most iconic and revolutionary supercars of all time, the 1966 Lamborghini Miura. In the mid-1960s, Lamborghini was still a young company, founded only a few years earlier by Ferruccio Lamborghini. At the time, the brand was primarily known for luxurious grand tours like the 350 GT and 400 GT. But something groundbreaking was about to change the world of high-performance cars forever. A small team of engineers, working in secret after hours, developed a radical new concept, a mid-engine layout that was unheard of in road cars. That secret project became the Miura, the car that defined Lamborghini's future and set the foundation for the modern supercar. Unveiled at the 1966 Geneva Motor Show, the Lamborghini Miura stunned the world with its sleek, low-slung body designed by Marcello Gandini of Berto. Its dramatic curves, aggressive stance, and unmistakable headlights gave it a futuristic presence. It was unlike anything the world had ever seen. But the Miura wasn't just about looks. Underneath that sculpted body was a game-changing engineering masterpiece. Powering the Miura was a transversely mounted 3.9-liter V12 engine, producing an astonishing 350 horsepower. This setup was inspired by racing cars, yet Lamborghini had the audacity to put it in a street-legal machine. The placement of the engine behind the driver provided exceptional balance and handling, a layout that would later become the standard for all supercars. At a time when Ferrari was still using front-engine designs for its road cars, Lamborghini took a bold leap forward. The Miura was fast, capable of reaching a top speed of over 170 mph, making it the fastest production car in the world at the time. But the Miura wasn't just about performance, it was also a work of art. The interior was as stylish as the exterior, featuring a driver-focused cockpit with luxurious leather seats, a beautifully sculpted dashboard, and an array of gauges that made the driver feel like they were in a fighter jet. Every detail of the Miura exuded passion and craftsmanship. Despite its breathtaking beauty and groundbreaking design, the Miura wasn't perfect. It was notoriously challenging to drive at high speeds due to its light front end, and early models had cooling issues. But none of these flaws could overshadow its significance. It wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. The Miura put Lamborghini on the map as a true competitor to Ferrari and other high-performance brands. It established the brand's reputation for wild, exotic, and high-performance machines. Without the Miura, there would be no Countach, no Diablo, and no Aventador. It was the car that defined Lamborghini's DNA. Even today, the Miura is considered one of the most beautiful and desirable classic cars ever made. It's a masterpiece that shaped the future of supercars. If you ever see one in person, take a moment to appreciate the brilliance behind this automotive legend. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1966 Lamborghini Miura, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing automotive history. See you in the next video.